Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to talk about my best Pectus Excavatum advice. My best advice if you have Pectus Excavatum is to stop worrying about the opinions of others. It's easier said than done, but when you start trying to put in principle of not caring about what other people think and catching yourself when you're getting really concerned of, oh, are they looking at my chest or this and that, catching yourself having these thoughts and draw awareness to it and draw awareness to the fact that they really don't care. Because when you realize that other people don't care, think about like your thoughts and how your thoughts are always kind of self-consumed on yourself. That's how everyone else thinks. And when you have the realization that people don't really care, they might look at you, but they're not actually like judging you and thinking you're a bad person or anything. It's just like a passing thought. When you have this realization, it makes accepting your Pectus so much easier. And so learning to accept yourself and learning to accept the fact that other people might look at you, but they don't really care. It doesn't mean you're a bad person. All it means is you have a deformity called Pectus Excavatum and your body's slightly unique, but humans come in all shapes and sizes, and it means you're still a good person. That really is my best Pectus Excavatum advice, is to stop worrying about the opinions of others so much. And it's something that will take time to develop the skill to be able to not worry, but now, like for me, I used to worry so much. Like when I was a kid, I'd go to the pool like for a swimming carnival and just be like petrified that people would be looking at me and judging me. And now it's like, I don't even think about any of that. Like, and it's not just shirtless now. Like I just don't care about other people's opinions. Like even making these videos and sometimes filming videos in public and like putting myself out there on social media and things like, you know, I had a lot of friends when I was like 19, 20, starting these business, filming videos of me in the gym, like flexing, like kind of judging me. But, you know, I didn't care because I realized like, this is who I am and I want to help people. And yeah, the more you can kind of get that mindset, the better. And then I also think, you know, in order to accept the condition, it is important, if it is getting you down, to also work on improving the condition. So it's acceptance without being a victim to it. So it's not accepting that you're a victim and that you're deformed, but it's accepting the fact that you have this, but you can make it better as well. And so I think when you start implementing exercise and working on actually making your Pectus visibly look better by building muscle, you're going to find that, one, it's going to be easier to accept yourself because you know you're actually doing something about it to make it better. And two, eventually, as you build muscle, you'll get it to the point where it is less noticeable, to the point where your deformity is not a thing anymore because you're actually just confident in your body. And so yeah, obviously that makes overcoming the condition so much. So yeah, the best advice I have is just really not caring what others think and working on your body. I guess they're the two things, because then you're not a victim. Then, you know, you can just accept who you are, embrace the fact that you have the opportunity to make it look way better. And guys, like, if you doubt how much exercise can help Pectus, just look at my result, look at my client testimonials. Like, it helps majorly. So anyway, I hope this was a helpful video that hopefully motivated you guys and might help you feel better about your Pectus.